is back. After being away to shoot In My Life in New York, John Lloyd Cruz is back to work and is facing a lot of RUFA-related issues. John Lloyd is facing all these issues head-on. Let's check this out.
Alam naman ang lahat yan. When I talk from the heart. When I say something, I make sure na it's from my heart.
After skillfully dodging questions and keeping mum for the longest time, box office king John Lloyd Cruz finally speaks up. Lloydie braved the wave of controversy as he faces the press for the first time in his birthday press con. The members of the press wasted no time and immediately placed John Lloyd on the hot seat.
Hindi ako pupunta doon. Hindi ko hahayaan na ang storya namin ay mapunta sa ganung kababang level. Ito sa very special relationship. Baliktarin ko man ang mundo. Special yung tao ngayon sa akin. Kung ano man ang pinagdadaanan namin, hindi ko hahayaan na madrag siya ng ganung kababa. Sa ganung kababang level.
It's one of the main reasons why RUFA left the Gutierrez home.
It takes a long while.
Okay, back up just a little bit. The day before John Lloyd's birthday press con, mother and daughter Gutierrez reconciled at the wake of Tito Don Lloyd.
Siyempre matapang si Mami, hindi naman naghahanap lang ako ng right timing. Pero, importante, inakap ko siya, and then binulungan ko siya, sabi ko, I'm sorry. Happy ako na at least siyang naunang bumati sa akin, no? Hindi ako bumati sa kanya. Birthday wish ko sa kanya, sana ipagpatuloy na yung pag-alaga sa mga apo ko, more time for the kids, at saka sana makinig siya sa lahat ng i-advise ko sa kanya. Hindi naman ako nandito para maging kontrabida sa buhay niya.
I only have one wife and I only have one daughter. So I'm happy that they're smiling and they're happy together.
Okay, now back to John Lloyd.
Well, I'm very happy na nagkaayos sila. Nagkaayos na sila. Kasi, ang ganda lang naman na masasabi ko because kung ano man yung pinagawayan nila, parang I don't wanna say more about it kasi napaka-limited lang naman nung alam ko na wala pa akong pinalaman. Yung magpakalalaki ka at aminin mo at sabihin mo sa buhay mo doon na mahal mo si Rupa. Hindi naman nag-i-exist yung word na love between me. Romantic love between me and Rupa. So, paano mo naman sasagutin yun? Ibig sabihin, ayoko naman siyang mapahiya. So, di ba, pagka sinagot ko naman yun, ito na, sinasagot ko na ngayon. So, parang, yun na, kaya lang, pasensya na at kailangan kong sagutin dahil tinatanong niyo ako. Pero yun nga, sana hanggang doon na lang. Because ayoko kasi pag nagsalita ako, hindi ito matatapos eh. So, gusto ko na lang matapos nang may respeto sa isa't isa.
It's not Liz and it's not Rufa, then what or who is the reason for his birthday blues?
Hindi ako malungkot ha. Hindi ako malungkot na tao. I'm just going through a phase. And, it's a very personal thing. It's a family thing. So, hindi ko lang masabi sa lahat. But, yun lang. But hopefully, sa special day ko, I'll be in LA. Sana man lang. Kahit na a small celebration.
As for his special day, John Lloyd has 2 wishes in mind.
Gusto ko lang hilingin sa mga tao na kami ni Rupa magkaibigan. Okay, magkaibigan kami. At sana, wag naman bigyan ng malis. No? Tama na, please. Parang sumobra na sa dapat puntahan itong issue na to. May mga ilang tao na naapektuhan. People who are very dear to me, very close to my heart, and wag na natin hayaan pang tumakbo pa to ng hindi na dapat. Tsaka, it's something na, it's not gonna happen.
Reyes gives her honest-to-goodness piece on the issue of the banana split girls. Here's more on